If you're tired of buying course after course and still crying into your coffee at zero results, you're not alone. Elite Tigers Group Xmas Bundle claims to give you 23 products for $5 without fancy dashboards or hosting NASA-level tech. Let's see if that actually holds up. Hey, Kamal from TestedOps.com here. 6+ years testing affiliate tools that promise freedom but deliver stress. Today's video is a straight-up review. No hype, no sugarcoating, just what works and what doesn't. 3 bonus cheese. Quick heads up, if you grab this through my link below, you'll also get my exclusive bonuses. They're designed to help you actually use this stuff. Details are waiting in the description. Elite Tigers Group Xmas Bundle is a digital product bundle created by Dawood Islam. It's built for beginners and budget marketers who want a proper starting point. The main promise is simple. You get 23 affiliate marketing products, all 2025 releases, for less than the price of one. No monthly fees, no locked content, no upsell pressure just to learn basics. The setup is refreshingly simple. 3 steps. Step 1. Buy the front end, $5, cheaper than your last coffee mistake. Step 2. Log into the members area. Everything is already there. No maze, no hidden menus. Step 3. Pick what you need. Traffic, offers, monetization, then apply. No PhD required, no fancy tech skills, just basic execution. Here's what actually matters. First, you get breadth. This covers multiple affiliate angles, not just one shiny tactic. Second, you save serious money. Individually, these products would cost hundreds. Here, it's one low entry price. Third, it removes overwhelm. Instead of buying random tools, you get one organized bundle. Fourth, it's beginner safe. Nothing here assumes experience. That's rare. This isn't theory soup, it's practical entry-level training and tools. Let's talk numbers. Front-end price, $5, one time. Now compare that. Most affiliate courses today run $30 to $50 per month. That's $300+ per year. This bundle, pay once, access everything, keep it. From a value standpoint, that's hard to argue with. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Ho, 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 folks. It's Christmas bundle time. This is a golden opportunity that we give you at the end of each year to get all of our products that were released during 2025 for one super knockdown price of just $5. It really is the ultimate Christmas bargain, folks, because you're getting 23 different products for the price of less than one. How does that sound? Let's just have a quick run through. You can see them all underneath this video, but give you a quick synopsis of what's involved. $1 Black Friday bundle. These are the products you're getting. That includes a load of free traffic. $1 done for you system. That's a passive earnings opportunity. $1 unlimited traffic. That's traffic to any URL of your choice for a whole year. $1 cash system. That is another passive earnings opportunity. Crazy traffic bundle does what it says on the tin. $1 bonus bundle gives you some products that you can use yourself for free and that you can give away. Top 10 traffic is another traffic product. Secret cache link is another passive earnings product. Traffic maniac is yet another traffic product. Your magic formula gives you some products that you can use to give away free and make money from. So does the money link. Solos and traffic is another traffic product. Big monster traffic 25. Reach my tribe 25. That one gives you access to some of my own personal mailing lists and enables your URL to be mailed out to them every day, Monday to Friday. Promote any link 25. Super Big 10 traffic, another traffic bundle. Place your link 25, which is always our annual best seller. AI Master, which shows you how to master AI, obviously, as the title suggests, and also includes a qualification that you can actually get by completing some steps in that course. Mail Your Offer 25, again gives you access to some of my mailing lists. Traffic Time 25, DeepSeek dollars, that enables you to exploit the AI sensation that caused all the headlines at the start of this year, which is DeepSeek. New Year Success Kit, which is very apt as we go into a new year. This was actually a kit designed for this year, but it'll work in any year, so it'll make sure that your new year in 2026 gets off to a good fast start. And Elite Money Pages, we provide you with some Google Docs that you can just give away free to earn money from. Absolutely tons in there, folks. And as I said, you can get this huge bundle of products full of all sorts of traffic, mailing, AI, passive income opportunities, and loads more, just for a single price of $5 if, and there's a big if you pick it up during the short launch period. So make sure that you do grab this to get the bargain bundle price. And apart from that, and looking forward to seeing you inside, let me end by wishing you a very happy and the best and most merriest of Christmases, and of course a very happy and successful new year when it comes.
Now let's talk upgrades. These are optional. OTO1, the Pro version, around $27. This adds traffic rotators and more link exposure. Good if you already have offers and want eyeballs. OTO2, the exclusive Xmas rotator, about $47. Fewer users, less competition, more focused traffic. This is the cleaner traffic option. OTO3, reseller rates, also around $47. You can resell the bundle and keep the sales. Good if you want ownership. OTO4, massive traffic bundle, $97. Done for you traffic, your own rotators, hundreds of hits weekly. OTO5, Elite Academy bundle, high ticket for serious scalers only. None of these are required, the front end stands alone. Here's my honest take. I've tested hundreds of Warrior Plus products. Most bundles fail because they're random. This one is structured. I ran through the content, no fluff overload, no nonsense. It's not magic, but it is usable. For beginners, this saves months of confusion. For experienced marketers, it's a cheap resource stock. That alone makes it worth the $5. Now the honest part. This is not a get-rich-quick button. You still need to learn, you still need to apply, you still need patience. If you hate taking action, this won't help you. If you expect instant commissions without work, close the tab now. This is a toolkit, not a lottery ticket. Now imagine this. Instead of chasing every new launch, you start 2025 with a solid base. No panic buying, no guessing, no crying into cold coffee. You know what to learn, you know what to test, you move forward calmly. That's what Elite Tigers Group Xmas Bundle gives you. And at $5, the risk is basically zero. Launch pricing won't last. Seasonal bundles disappear fast. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Grab the bundle using the link below, and don't forget my bonuses. This is Kamal from TestedOps.com. Talk soon.